welcome to the Leicester demo room. Today we'll be discussing our Control 4 system. In our system we have the EA3, which is the main director. That handles all the processing for the demo room as well as the shop floor AV media. To control the demo room system we use the Neo interface, we use the Control 4 8-inch portable touchscreen, and then we have the light switch as well, which deal with lighting scenes. Today we'll be taking a look at a bit of the features that we have set up. So if we were to start, that's what our system looks like. We've got 4K Blu-ray player, we've got FreeSat UHD, we've got the Plex media server, Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV, Disney+. We can control the TV separately, we've got all the audio streaming services, and then our lighting control. If we flick over, we've got the projector system, which gives us a 4K Blu-ray player, FreeSat, Plex, Netflix, YouTube, and lighting scenes. Move over again, we've got the demo speakers A, and then again demo speakers B. This is a handy little tool that I've created, which allows us to have two faceplates on either side on the front, which has speakers points A and B. So if a customer walks in wanting to quickly demo a set or two sets of speakers, we can set them both up, group them together, play the same thing, and then control volume independently. It's a really quick A-B switch rather than having to disconnect speakers and replace them the whole time. If we run back to the demo room, if we just run on one of the systems, you can push FreeSat, and there we go. That will turn on the TV, turn on the amp, turn on the power amp, switch all the inputs, and get me to where I want to be. Just that user friendly. So while we just wait for the TV to start up. And there we go, it's coming. There we go, we're now just watching live TV. I can control everything from this touchscreen, or I can move over to the remote and do everything there. That deals with the volume, pause, play, channels, everything you need to. If we then moved over to the touchscreen again, you can push 4K Blu-ray player. That now turns off the FreeSat, switches over the input, and now we should get up onto the Blu-ray in a second. There you go, nice and easy. Go back again, back home, we can now flick through various ones. You've got YouTube there. And there you go. Done with that, push the power button, turn off the room, and everything shuts off now. If we moved over to this demo system, we could do any of the streaming sources like Tidal, Spotify Connect, Apple AirPlay. I'm just going to jump on TuneIn Radio just because it's nice and easy, and choose Planet Rock. And that will start playing through our demo speakers in the front. There you go, nice and easy. With that, I can then select speakers B, and if I had a second pair of speakers there, it would group them together, allowing me to control the volume independently. So as we go scroll there, you've got separate volume controls for both. If you're done with that, we'll just go back home. Done with that, push the power button, turn off the room. If we now move over to the projector system, and I want to choose Plex for example, simply push that, turns on the amp, turns on the power amp, lowers the screen, drops the lights down, obviously turning the projector on as well. Should give this a second to warm up, as we know projectors take a little while. And there we go, we can see it start showing up already. I'll give it a few more seconds just as it's a little bit dim, and I just want to show. Okay, so from here, again, we can control everything. One thing I do like that I have done with this system is lighting scenes with this sort of projector system. So as we know, the lights have already dimmed down. What's great is from over here, if we wanted to watch a program, you can have a custom set that as soon as I push play, it dims the lights down and turns them off completely. And there you go, your program starts playing. Let's say you want to just have a break to go and get a drink or bite to eat. As soon as you push pause, the lights will come back on again for you, allowing you to see what you're doing. You can go and grab your drink, get a bite to eat, come back, and then again, as soon as you push play, dims down again, and you carry on with the movie. It gives that more cinematic experience. If you're then completely done with this program and you want to turn it off, push stop, and again your lights come back on for you and you can see what you're doing. But then if we went to actually shut down the room, that then brightens the whole room up completely.